All right, here's an excellent practice drill when you have your object ball is frozen to the rail. So this one is, right now I have the 9 ball frozen to the rail. I'm going to position my cue ball down here. And I want to go ahead and obviously sink the 9 ball and get in my shape zone over here. So for this shot, all right, so let me chalk up and let's see how close I could get. I'm going to sink the 9 ball and get positioned for our next ball. All right, that's exactly in the shape zone where we want to be, obviously. Here's my target. And again, you have to practice the actual speed control. That's the key. All right, so my cue ball's in the same position. I moved my object ball, the 9 ball, down 1 diamond, and I also changed my shape zone. That went 1 diamond closer to the corner pocket. So I'm going to chalk up. I'm going to take just a high follow shot. A medium speed. And that'll bring us right into our shape zone. So practice these. The more that you practice them, the better you're going to be able to get a sense of controlling the cue ball, where your strengths are and where your weaknesses are, and you'll be able to focus on that. This is a great drill for cue ball control. Just want to bring a point out. When you're shooting off the rail, you'll see so many people go ahead and jack up and jack up. That's the worst way to take a rail shot. For every degree that you bring the butt of your cue up, you lose 3% accuracy on controlling your cue ball. So remember, 3%, that means if I just came up 10 degrees, I lose 30% accuracy. That's tremendous. I mean, so keep it level. That cue tip, if you're chalked up, you'll make contact with it. That's a solid hit. I didn't have to jack up. My cue ball was frozen to the rail. So remember that. That's a great, great pointer.